Have you ever strolled through the produce aisle and found yourself pausing in front of the artichoke? Maybe you've glanced at it, sitting there among the more familiar vegetables, and wondered what it's all about. It looks a little intimidating, right? With its tough, spiky green leaves and almost armored appearance, it can seem like a vegetable fortress, one that's not exactly inviting to the average home cook. But what if I told you that hidden inside this unique vegetable is a treasure trove of health benefits? The artichoke is more than just a pretty face. It's a powerhouse for your liver, can help manage cholesterol, support digestion, and even offer a boost to your overall wellness. It's not a magic pill, but it's a fantastic example of how the foods we choose every day can have a profound impact on our health and well-being, often in ways we don't even realize. We often search for complicated solutions to our health concerns, supplements, special diets, or the latest superfood trends. But sometimes, the answers have been sitting quietly in nature's pantry all along, waiting for us to rediscover them. The artichoke is a perfect case study, a functional food packed with unique compounds that interact with our bodies in surprisingly beneficial ways. It's a vegetable that's been valued for centuries, not just for its flavor, but for its healing properties. From helping your system process fats more efficiently, to supporting your liver as it works to detoxify your body, to calming an upset stomach and easing digestive discomfort. The artichoke's resume is surprisingly impressive for such a humble thistle. In fact, among all the vegetables in the produce section, the artichoke stands out for its unique history, nutritional profile, and versatility in the kitchen. In this video, we're going to peel back the layers of the artichoke, literally and figuratively. We'll look at how to prepare it, what makes it so nutritious, and why it deserves a spot on your plate. We'll explore what the artichoke is, where it comes from, tracing its roots back to the sun-soaked fields of the Mediterranean, and what makes it so special from a health perspective. My goal is to demystify this incredible vegetable, to show you that it's not only easy to prepare, but also a delicious and versatile addition to a healthy lifestyle. Whether you're a seasoned cook or just starting out, the artichoke has something to offer. The story of the artichoke is a powerful reminder that food can be both medicine and a delight for the senses. It's proof that sometimes the most unassuming ingredients can have the biggest impact on our health. So, let's dive in together and uncover the secrets of this amazing plant. By the end, you might just find yourself reaching for an artichoke the next time you're in the produce aisle, ready to enjoy all the benefits it has to offer. So, what is this strange-looking vegetable sitting on your kitchen counter, covered in tough, green scales and looking almost prehistoric? Many people are puzzled the first time they see an artichoke, wondering how to eat it or even what it is. The artichoke is actually the immature flower bud of a thistle plant, specifically Cynara cardunculus var. Scalamus. Before it ever has a chance to bloom, it's picked while still tightly closed, preserving its unique texture and flavor. If left unharvested, the artichoke transforms into a stunning, vibrant purple flower, attracting bees and butterflies in the garden. But for culinary purposes, it's best enjoyed before this dramatic change. The part we consume, the heart, is the fleshy base of the bud, hidden beneath layers of tough, protective leaves. The tender, lower portions of these leaves are also edible, offering a subtle, earthy taste when scraped with your teeth. It's a member of the sunflower family, known as Asteraceae, which you can see if you let it flower. The resemblance is clear in the large, showy blooms and the plant's overall structure. The artichoke has a long and fascinating history, originating in the Mediterranean region. It was highly prized by ancient Greeks and Romans, not just as a delicious food, but also for its medicinal properties. They believed it could aid digestion and even act as an aphrodisiac. Over centuries, its popularity spread throughout Europe, becoming a staple in Italian, French, and Spanish cuisines. Today, artichokes are grown in many parts of the world, with California being the leading producer in the United States. When you look at an artichoke, you see its tough, layered exterior, a natural defense mechanism that protects the delicate heart within from pests and harsh weather. Each layer must be peeled away to reach the tender core. Preparing an artichoke can seem intimidating, but it's a rewarding process. It involves trimming the thorny tips, peeling away the outer leaves, and removing the fuzzy choke at the center. What remains is the prized heart, celebrated for its mild, nutty, and slightly sweet flavor. Understanding the artichoke as a flower bud helps explain its unique nutritional profile. It's not just a vegetable, but a plant in the process of storing energy and nutrients for its future bloom. This means it's dense in vitamins like C and K, minerals such as magnesium and potassium, and powerful bioactive compounds including antioxidants and fiber. These nutrients support heart health, digestion, and overall wellness. So next time you see an artichoke, remember, it's more than just a vegetable. It's a powerhouse of potential, a symbol of culinary tradition, and a piece of medicinal history that has nourished people for thousands of years. Not just a vegetable, a flower in waiting, holding secrets of flavor, nutrition, and history within its many layers. Now for the cool part. What's inside the artichoke that gives it these health benefits? It's all about biochemistry. The most famous compound is cynarin, found in the leaves, which stimulates bile production in the liver. Next, we have flavonoids like luteolin and apigenin, antioxidants that protect our cells from damage and support overall health. Another key component is inulin, a soluble fiber that acts as a prebiotic, feeding the good bacteria in your gut. A healthy gut microbiome is crucial for digestion, immunity, and even mood. Artichoke also contains silymarin, a potent antioxidant known for its liver protective effects. Silymarin helps shield liver cells from toxins and supports regeneration. When you combine cynarin, flavonoids, inulin, and silymarin, you get a synergistic effect. These compounds work together, not in isolation, creating a powerful cocktail of benefits. That's what makes the artichoke a true superfood. It's a single food supporting multiple body systems at once. All this packed into a humble thistle. That's the artichoke's secret power. Let's start with one of artichoke's best-known benefits, its effect on the liver. The term choleretic means something that stimulates the liver to produce more bile. Bile is a digestive fluid that helps break down fats so your body can absorb them. Cynarin is the compound in artichoke responsible for this effect. By boosting bile production, artichoke helps your digestive system handle fats more efficiently. This can ease that heavy, sluggish feeling after a rich meal. Efficient fat digestion is crucial for nutrient absorption and digestive comfort. A well-functioning liver is also central to your body's detox system. By supporting bile production, artichoke helps your liver do its vital job more effectively. Think of it as speeding up the assembly line for fat digestion. This not only aids digestion, but also reduces the liver's workload, all from a simple plant. Now, let's talk cholesterol. Artichoke has a hypocholesterolemic effect. It helps lower cholesterol levels. It targets LDL, the bad cholesterol that can build up in arteries and increase heart risk. The flavonoid luteolin inhibits an enzyme responsible for producing cholesterol, slowing down the body's cholesterol-making machinery. At the same time, cynarin stimulates bile production, which uses up existing cholesterol to make bile acids. It's a two-pronged approach. Less new cholesterol is made, and more existing cholesterol is used up. This makes artichoke a natural tool for supporting healthy cholesterol levels. Of course, it's not a free pass to eat anything. Cholesterol management is about a holistic lifestyle. But adding artichoke to your diet is a simple, evidence-based step. It's another tool in your toolbox for heart health. For those working on cholesterol, artichoke is a smart, natural ally. Always consult your healthcare provider for personalized advice, but this is one food that can make a real difference. Ever feel uncomfortably full, bloated, or nauseous after eating? That's dyspepsia, indigestion. Artichoke has long been used as a remedy for this, thanks to its antidyspeptic effect. The improved bile flow from cynarin is a major contributor. By enhancing bile secretion, artichoke speeds up fat digestion and encourages timely gastric emptying. This reduces the likelihood of indigestion and bloating. The prebiotic fiber inulin also supports a healthy gut microbiome, which can help prevent digestive issues. If you struggle with indigestion, especially after rich meals, artichoke could be a helpful natural ally. It's not about masking symptoms, it's about supporting your body's natural digestive processes. A smart, proactive approach to everyday digestive wellness. That's the artichoke advantage. Gas and bloating, embarrassing and uncomfortable. Artichoke can help here too. As a carminative, it helps prevent and relieve gas in the digestive tract. Its digestive stimulating properties mean less undigested food reaches the large intestine, where gas is produced. Cynurin promotes bile flow, ensuring fats are digested efficiently. The result? Less fermentation, less gas, and less bloating. For those who feel like an overinflated balloon after certain meals, artichoke can make a real difference. It's a natural way to support your body's ability to handle food, reducing uncomfortable side effects, one meal at a time. That's the carminative power of artichoke. Beyond digestion, artichoke is also a gentle diuretic. Diuretics help your body excrete excess water and salt, reducing bloating and supporting healthy blood pressure. Artichoke's diuretic effect is linked to its high potassium content and compounds like cynurin. Potassium helps balance fluids, working against sodium to promote urine output. This can be especially helpful for temporary water retention from salty meals or travel. It's a mild, natural way to restore fluid balance. Supporting your kidneys' function is vital for overall health. Artichoke helps keep your body's plumbing flowing smoothly. Let's talk about the spasmolytic effect. Artichoke's ability to calm muscle spasms in your gut. Spasmolytic means it helps relieve or prevent spasms of smooth muscle, like those in your stomach and intestines. Compounds like cynurin and flavonoids help regulate gut contractions, promoting smooth, rhythmic movement. This can be a game changer for people with sensitive guts or conditions like IBS. It soothes the digestive tract and reduces pain from erratic muscle contractions. Think of it as bringing harmony to your gut's orchestra. Food and gas move through more smoothly, with less pain. Artichoke doesn't just help with digestion, it calms the gut too. A holistic approach to digestive comfort. That's the artichoke's spasmolytic secret. So, how do you actually use artichokes in daily life? You might be surprised by just how versatile and approachable this unique vegetable can be, even if you're not an experienced cook. Artichokes can easily become a staple in your kitchen, fitting into both simple snacks and more elaborate meals. The simplest way is to steam or boil a whole artichoke. Just trim the sharp tips off the leaves, cook until tender, and enjoy peeling off each leaf. Dip the base of each leaf into a healthy sauce, like Greek yogurt with lemon or a light vinaigrette, for a satisfying, hands-on snack or appetizer that's fun to share with family or friends. As you work your way inward, you'll reach the heart, the prized center. Scoop out the fuzzy choke with a spoon, and you're left with the tender, flavorful heart. This part is often considered the best bite, rich in taste and texture, and can be enjoyed on its own or added to other dishes. If you're short on time or want something even easier, canned or jarred artichoke hearts are a fantastic option. They're ready to use and can be tossed into salads, stirred into pasta, or blended into creamy dips for parties or snacks. Their mild, nutty flavor complements a wide range of ingredients, making them a pantry essential. For those looking to maximize the health benefits, artichoke leaf extract is also available as a supplement. This concentrated form contains the highest levels of beneficial compounds and is often used for its potential digestive and liver-supporting properties. However, before starting any new supplement, it's important to consult your doctor, especially if you have existing health conditions or are taking medications. Your healthcare provider can help you decide if artichoke extract is right for you. Want to get creative? Try grilling artichoke halves for a smoky flavor, stuffing them with breadcrumbs and herbs for a hearty side, or adding chopped hearts to omelets and frittatas for a nutritious breakfast boost. Artichokes pair beautifully with classic Mediterranean flavors like lemon, garlic, and olive oil. These simple additions can elevate the taste and make your dishes even more delicious and satisfying. The key is to experiment and find the ways you genuinely enjoy eating artichokes. Whether you prefer them hot or cold as a main or a side, there's a method that will suit your taste and lifestyle. Whether it's a weekend ritual with family or a quick addition to your weekday salad, making artichoke a regular part of your diet is a simple, delicious step toward better health and more variety in your meals. Artichokes are both delicious and powerful, packed with nutrients and flavor. What more could you want from a vegetable? Give artichokes a try in your kitchen and see the difference they can make in your meals and your well-being. You might just discover a new favorite food. We've explored the artichoke's journey from thistlebud to nutritional powerhouse. It supports your liver, helps manage cholesterol, and soothes your digestive system in multiple ways. It's a perfect example of how a single whole food offers a synergy of benefits you can't get from isolated chemicals. But remember, this is for educational purposes, not a substitute for medical advice. If you have health conditions or are considering artichoke supplements, talk to your healthcare provider first. My goal is to empower you with knowledge so you can make informed choices. When you know why a food is good for you, it's easier to include it in your diet. This is proactive, preventive health in action. Stay curious, keep learning, and experiment with new healthy foods like artichoke. Pay attention to how you feel when you eat well. Your health is your most valuable asset. Protect it with small, consistent choices. Thanks for joining me on this journey. Be well.